Hello and welcome to RevWheels. This festive season, Mahindra has something very special on offer, the Mahindra Bolero Neo N11. Visually, not much has changed, but what has is this chrome finished front grille, which adds a lot of premiumness, and these fog lamps add a lot of practicality. On the side, you get R16 dark metallic grey alloy wheels and a dual tone color scheme.
The Bolero Neo will be available in range of exciting new colors, including jeans blue and concrete grey. Both these shades will be available in dual tone options, while pearl white will be offered in dual tone option as well.
Well, on the rear, as you can see, not much has changed apart from this N11 badging, which you can flaunt and say people that, well, you are driving the latest Bolero Neo. Once inside, you are greeted with the new lunar grey color scheme, which adds to the premium feel and also makes the cabin feel a lot more roomy. The infotainment screen here is fairly responsive. There is a lot of storage space also here. You get a storage compartment here, 3 cup holders here, and cup holders even on your doors, which really means a lot of utility. Mahindra claims that the seats are much more comfortable now, and that is something you have to agree on. And you also get armrests for the driver and passenger, which really adds to the overall comfort here. Mechanically, nothing has changed as per Mahindra, but they have added ride flow technology in this. Now that means you get better brake response, better steering response, and overall a better driving.
Now let's head towards the classic Bolero and find out the changes there.
Visually, not much has changed. You get this bold new grille, fog lamps, 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and if you already haven't noticed, a black color. And to flaunt your brand new car, here's the Bolero B8 badging. Now you also get touchscreen infotainment screen here and USB-C and 2 USB-A type charging ports. Talking about the comfort, the seats are fairly comfortable and the leatherette finish does give you a premium feel. But the dashboard here is strictly solid, which does feel industrial. Now, depending on you, would you like it or not? I'm not sure. You get the same ride flow technology here that we saw on the Bolero Neo. So that is the Bolero Neo N11. Let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below.